up everyone? Welcome to Seth's Vlog, and today we are going to Boracay.
Daming energy. Ikaw?
Kapawa ka, sir. Nainis ako kay Luz.
Kaming dalawa lang kasi talaga dapat dito.
O yung saling pusa ay you last
So dito na
minute.
natin malalaman kung si Lance ay pasok ba sa ating friend.
Tropahan.
Uy,
bakit?
Bakit?
Nag-Thailand na tayo ah.
Hindi naman tayo magkakaroon noon.
Kami yun, ni Red.
Oh, tayo.
Matulog ako nun. Ay ko sa'yo. Buksan mo? Hindi buksan mo. Tapos high top tara mo. Go. Go! Sakpan mo! Sakpan mo! Isa pa.
Okay na.
Open.
Kita mo.
Open, tapos high, close.
I got a switch in my head. I go from living to dead. You got me seeing all red. Now I'm becoming a threat. I fucking heard what you said. I'll make you have some regrets. And no, I never forget. So now you have a few debts. That shit, it needs to be paid with blood or some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear. I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here. The sound of deafening fear.
Ikot pa isa. Yan.
Ito na yung una namin pinag-awayan. Kasi na yung
This is the real test of friendship.
Yeah. So 2 beds lang kasi. Pero may couch. Siyempre, hindi ako doon matutulog. Princess ako dito eh.
Tapos so kami na ni Red na punta. Ngayon, away kami. Deal. Dito daw ako, pero wala akong unan. Tapos, naka-partition yung aircon, papunta lang sa kanya. Oh.
Tapos ako lang yung magsi-CR. Doon kayo sa lobby.
Tapos alam nyo guys, kay Sed lang daw yung bathtub. Tapos kay Red yung shower. Saan ako maliligo? Diyan?
Hindi, paunahan kasi mag-mine.
Oh.
Nauna kami.
O, akin to ah.
Akin tong mirror. Bawal tumingin dito.
Yung tubig ko dun, metro yan ah. Pag yan...
Paano ko akin? Wala pa ako na.
Ang bagal mo eh.
Akin yung towel.
Akin,
Paano ko magtatawa eh? Wala.
akin lahat ng keycard.
O, di sa inyo yung room.
Akin yung floor. Angat niyo yung paa nyo.
Hindi ko pala to bed.
Angat niyo yung paa nyo.
Sira yung blinds. So kami na lang mag-aayos. Sali ako!
Kapatapos na. Ikaw ba yung batang na-explain?
Diyan mo na lang, i-push mo na lang lahat.
Ibagin yung mga kalasal.
Yay! 1, 2,
Let's go!
Good job!
Ikaw ay nasanayan sa ating kinakalampanan.
Iba ako wala pa.
Para bang di nakataon.
Mali ka masakit sa station.
Napintik ng puso'y nakalaan para sa'yo. Bago pero mas masaya, magmula nang nakita ka. Nagwawala ng pangangamba sa islang tropiko. Lapit na ang araw na ika'y nagtatapos.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Sick talaga.
Time check. Good morning. Official day 1 here in Boracay.
What did you order?
I ordered some food. I ordered some jerk chicken. Pula is having,
Truffle mushroom.
and you are having
Chicken salad.
dahon.
Plastic.
Some dahon over there. Buksan mo na yung malaking door na ganyan.
makasito sila.
Dapat kasi kumakatok. And do you wanna build a snowman?
Meron naman pala kay aircon. Diyos ko, napakainit.
Nandito na kami sa hotel. And tapos na yung Boracay trip. Tapos
Yeah,
day one.
fiesta na naman. Good night. See you tonight.
Yun na yun.
See you tonight.
Guys,
Ano,
sa
kung
beer,
taga-pindot
sa beer.
kayo sa lahat?
Princess nga siya, kasi nga may taga-bukas ng door.
O sino ka?
Taga-bukas ng door. Eh, ikaw, taga-pindot.
O ikaw, ano naman piniprincess mo?
Princess.
Princess Fiona.
Ah.
Princess.
Pagod na ang Disney Princess.
Disney Princess ang kata.
Kapoy, no.
Kapo yan, Disney Princess.
Bye.
Kaibigan. Kaibigan. As a friend.
Ang aga. Hinahanap kami. Ay, ang sweet girl. Ay, there's so many people, Luz.
May araw sa tingin mo, swimming ka.
Damay na sila.
Swimming mo doon. Oo.
Yeah, we see.
Ako mag-swimming. Go, mag-swimming ka ng 12 ha.
Ang saya-saya ng Tessa friendship trip namin. Super.
Ito, dinala kami sa mga bangka. Doon daw kami mag-swimming, sa tabi ng mga bangka.
Okay na dito. Okay na dito. I found the spot. Here. Latag na.
You say good morning when it's midnight, going out of my head alone in these bed. My heart is so jet lagged. Heart is so jet lagged.
So what?
So jet lagged.
Love Boracay today! Ah!
O, sa akin man.
Slowly, it's hard to say that I'd rather.
See you guys later. Ay.
Alligator.
Elevator.
So what's
Escalator.
Monitor.
Monitor. See you guys. Bye.
It's the last day. 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 It's akin tong kama na to, di ba?
Akin yung floor, taas yung paano.
Ay, gawin ka na.
Good morning, guys. So, nasa ground na kami. Or akit kami ulit. Kasi, look at this, slippers.
No.
Ito naman sila.
Parang naman na po siya
Good morning. First day siya, second day.
So we're going back to the hotel. Uy, ang mahal na itong sandals na to.
Greenbelt yan guys,
Greenbelt yan. 15,000 per pair. Kaya wag yung hinuhuyo-huyo yan. Branded yan.
Mabalik.
Kasi limited edition yung ganito, hindi dapat pinanglalabas.
Guess mo kung sino ang nagsuot ng greenbelt slippers. Of course, goodbye again.
Okay, we're back. Brunch.
Okay, so kami lang po talaga dalawa ang nakalabas sa lungga kasi tulog pa po yung isa.
Yeah.
And we're eating, anong order mo?
Croissant.
Croissant. And eggs Benedict and healthy mermaid.
And yung milk na may konting coffee. We're gonna try the halo-halo. Ay,
Halo mango. Shrub.
In fairness, the height is round. Diba?
Super mango niya.
I would rate this 8 out of 10. Go.
9, 10.
9. Our next dessert for today is
Ube mama.
Ube Mama.
Masarap siya.
Sabay tayo na tikman. Ay, pero sabi ko nga sabay tayo eh.
Oh, go.
Gusto ko nga mag-cheers tayo eh. Pagka-banding nila.
Oh.
Cheers. Ay, nalaglag. Ay, wait lang. Cheers.
Rob.
I like the consistency. What the fuck? And the exposure. I would rate it 8.5. No, 7.
7 lang. Sarap ng mango.
Oo, kaya nga yun, na-realize ko dapat mas mataas yung mango. We're back in the hotel. Sunday namin yung isa naming friend kasi baka naman, diba?
Oh, wala kaming magawa today kasi alam niyo, tulog lang ng tulog.
Yeah.
Hindi pwede yung ganun.
Hey everyone! He made it!
He's alive!
Yeah!
And kicking! Kick nga!
Pati nga ng Alive and Kicking. Ay, nakarinig pa ng K-pop. Eh di mas buhay pa yan talaga. Mag-ano kami today? Ano gagawin natin?
Mag-boat sailing. Woo! Brown out po dito sa Boracay kaya ganito po kadilim.
Paraw sailing.
Paraw sailing kami and UFO ride. So pupunta kami sa ibang planeta.
Yes.
Ito na guys, meet na namin si Kuya Nilo.
Ay, Nilo!
Ay, friendship! Kaway ka nga kuya. Ay! Ikaw kumaway ka nga. Aray!
Ito pala yung kasama namin boy.
Hindi pa kuya, tulog pa to.
Ilayo nyo nga sa akin tong sila.
Ikaw lumayo sa akin kasi palakad mo pag ganun.
Sumasama sa akin eh.
Alam mo si Red maglakad pa kaliwa.
Kalipa. Kahit sa kanan.
pa dyan!
Kakulay mo.
Diring-diring
Kakulay mo yung ano.
Santa Claus naman.
Kami, eto lang. Pretty lang. Pretty.
So we just finished our last sunset in Boracay. Bye-bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye! That was so fun, guys. Highly
Yeah,
recommend.
it is. Yeah.
And dapat 5 p.m. nakapila na kayo para di kayo ma-stress.
Yeah.
Huwag niyong itayin mag 5:30.
Yeah. Would recommend ang paragliding, mga sis. It's so relaxing and so fulfilling.
True. I agree. Kaya patahimik po siya buong araw kasi wala po siyang kain. Ano yung mong katawan, no? Wala na talaga.
O ito yung hindi pa ako ito yung busog.
Ako, sakto lang.
Busog. Ito naka-breakfast and lunch.
Pumunta kami ng Boracay para mas Japanese. Mas Watashi wa Yoroshiku onegaishimasu. Yoroshiku onegaishimasu.
Japan niya pala.
Yeah, oh my gosh, Lance. I took Nihongo.
Same. May Hongo din yung FL.
Ako, friend.
Friend, tingin nga.
Cebuano. FL.
Uy, racist.
Uy, racist.
Foreign language, FL. Kaya hindi
Paano
foreign for Filipino.
paano naging racist yun?
Paano Cebu ako?
Paano naging racist yun? Itong FL ko Tagalog, racist yun. Bakit pag Cebu, racist na?
It's the Manila Imperial, you know?
Ayan na, ayan na. Ito na. Ooh, that's a friendship.
Wala akong friend na sinasabihan ako racist.
Ano sabi mo?
I know.
Jonah Shake Bonding by the beach.
Nahilo na lang talaga mga viewers.
Guys, ang ganda ng stars. Kasi ang ganda kasi ng stars.
Nag-uusap.
Yung ADHD mo, mana na naman.
Di ba? Ang ganda ng stars.
Ito, stars.
Parang black hole.
Black hole.
Black hole. Yun lang. Relieving.
We're leaving. Thank you so much, bro. I had so much fun last night. And thank you to the mayor and the vice.
Uy, nakilala naman natin
yeah.
si Vice Mayor eh. Thank you so much for having us.
Last night and the other night and
yeah.
the 3 nights ago. Airport fit na naman yan. Mabibili lang ng sardinas sa kanto.
Bye guys. Thank you so much. Please.
This was a good test of friendship and I had so much fun and the test was we almost failed. But we made it because of the balancing of our emotions and the moods. So we're going out now and thank you so much, Rome. I'm gonna miss you and see you soon. Until next year.
Until next year. Talaga, ikaw lang yung until next year. Nag-moist ata sila. Hindi na tayo makita. Landed and we got delayed. So, ang masabi ko lang ay this is a successful test of friendship for the three of us.
Kahit almost bumagsak. Can't relate.
I must say, pasok sila.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Watch out for our next trip together. But see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Like, share, and subscribe. Follow us on our social media accounts.
Nag-vlog pa.